Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Filmora without using a green screen. Yes, it's possible and super easy, so let's dive in. First, go to the Filmora app and import your video to the timeline, and then click on the clip and then go to AI Tools panel at the top. Then select the AI portrait. This feature automatically removes the background without needing a green screen. And once you turn it on, the Filmora will process your clip and isolate the subject. You can now add any background you want underneath on the video track 1 while the subject stays on track 2. You can also add an AI effects like borders, glitch, shadows to enhance your video. And if your PC slows down, consider rendering the clip for smoother editing. And that's it. That's how you remove backgrounds in Filmora without a green screen. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment your details or suggestions below. Thanks for watching.